Welcome to video from the second part of this series. In this video, we will continue the visualization process using Photoshop, and the content of the next video will be about the final touches to the general site that give it some spirit and vitality. We start by showing a shadow of the services building. This process is done by identifying the building and creating a white and black color for this selection on 2 layers so that they are separate and easy to control. We stand on the black layer and use the Move tool, then press Ctrl, then the 4 arrows according to the direction of the shadow you want. After reaching the desired shadow length, we stand on the white layer and select its content. We move to the black layer and delete the previously selected content and reduce the transmittance so that it is in its best form. Then we move to the main building, but we will create its shadow on more than 1 layer due to the difference in levels. We then move on to making the loop, which is the fence located on the roof of the building. And this is done by defining the edges of the building, and then we make a stroke for the borders and then a drop shadow, and that is from FX, and we adjust the shortcomings manually. We then move on to create shading for the tent in the same way, and so on for all elements of the project. This concludes our video, along with the second part of this series, the third, and next part, we'll talk about this third part. And if you have any comment on the previous two parts, tell us in the comments so that we can improve ourselves.